All right, we're at the home of Mr. and Mrs. Belden. We're doing some siding work for them. We're going to be doing it in phases, actually. So right now we're just going to be focusing on the fascia, doing a couple areas of soffit repair, and that's it. Just basically patching and painting those areas. Doing a fascia replacement. You can see there's a 5/16 inch fascia here. We're going to remove and dispose of all gutters on the existing fascia. They're going to call Chris out to do a consult on the gutters. But right now we're doing the right side of the home, the chimney, and then fascia replacement all the way around. And that's going to be our scope of work for this go-round. And we'll look at some doors, and the rest of the siding is a down-the-road project. But the sun is just brutal over here. But this side of the house takes the most abuse. As you can see, we got holes in the chimney. Got one window wrap here that we're going to do. That's it. But basically we're going from this corner back to the back, chimney all the way up to the top. All trim, all capping will become Hardie plank. So that's the extent of our siding work. And then everywhere else, as you can see, is just fascia replacement, and then a couple spots of soffit repair that we'll look at. That's what we got here. This is one corner where we're going to need to do some repair work here. Just probably 6 inches replaced of the soffit. Hopefully you can see that. The sun is so bright over here. But the fascia is gone entirely, and then you can see some soft area of soffit up there that we need to address. Not garage wrapping or anything else. We're going to match the existing color scheme. We have some slight, let's see if we can see that. There we go. Some slight rot here. I think the soffit's okay, actually. We just need to caulk and seal because of the soffit. The soffit painting as a whole is going to be done once all the siding is done, and that way we're not disrupting things with the freeze board and tearing off the freeze board, which is this guy, and causing damage to the paint there. So again, on the soffit, we're just doing a spot repair and paint of that area. This corner just needs to be caulked and sealed up there. And then this guy is the other corner. You may not be able to see it too clearly on the video, but again, probably about 8 inches of soffit there needs to be replaced. And then that fascia is completely rotten. So when we talked about gutters a little bit, they'll probably go back with a more conservative guttering system rather than just in all the places where it's at now. And not only will it look better, it'll just be more efficient use of the guttering where it's needed as opposed to just everywhere. So that's kind of our scope of work. That's what we got. Again, we got a couple doors we're looking at, and the rest of the Hardie has some subsequent phases. But that's pretty much what we're looking at. So, again, Mr. and Mrs. Belden, we really appreciate you guys working with us and trusting us with the project. Enjoyed talking to you guys today, and we look forward to working for you. Thanks so much.